Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm Delmar, part of the education department here at MCM. I'm editing the iMovie right now. If you want to learn some tips and tricks, check out this video.
To start, you'll need a title card. iMovie offers a variety of different title cards for your own choosing. Towards the top of the screen, you'll see the word title. Click on that and pick your own. Click and drag your title down to the bottom, and once you've done that, you'll go over, double-click, and change your text. You can also change the size, color, and highlight. To shorten your clip, drag the end to the left as far as you'd like.
Next, you have to insert your media. To find your media, go to the My Media tab and down to Photos. Your iCloud account on your computer should be connected to your phone, so all your photos and videos should show up. Click and drag down to the bottom half in your desired order.
To crop your photos, double-click on the intended clip. You'll have three options: Fit, Crop to Fit, and Ken Burns. I prefer Ken Burns, which makes our photos move. You can change how the photos move too. For this photo, we will have it start at the top and end at the bottom. Drag the start rectangle to the top and vice versa with the end rectangle. Sometimes the end rectangle will be too low, which can easily be fixed by dragging it to the top to make sure you have everything in frame. It is okay for the rectangles to overlap.
Then we go back to the top and select Transitions. Transitions are for in between each clip. Again, iMovie provides many different to choose from. Click and drag your selected one in between each clip. Once you insert all of those transitions, this is what it will look like. A smooth transition for your movie. You can also notice the Ken Burn effect we are using here.
The good thing about these transitions is if you think it is too long or too short, you can adjust it. Quickly double-click on the transition box and change the speed to how you'd like. You can apply to one or apply to all of the transitions.
Next is audio. Go to the top features and select audio and video. iMovie offers sound effects for free. Select drop-down menu and see the different folders offered. If you're looking for musical audio, I recommend Jingles. If you have Apple Music, you can link that and insert audio that way as well.
Select an audio and drag it down under your media. If you'd like to adjust the volume of the audio, hover over the middle of the audio until it gives you the option to adjust it.
Of course, you do not want the audio to affect the length of your video, so scroll to the end and split the audio clip. To do that, line up your cursor where you like to cut the audio. You can do this for any images or videos inserted, as well as split clips. Select the piece you do not need and click delete.